myself Nikita Shinde. In today's video, we are going to learn part 2 of Indian Constitution, which deals with the citizenship, Article 5 to 11. Before starting the video, I would like to request you people do subscribe my channel and to turn on the bell icon so you couldn't miss any update from me. So I begin here. Part 2, Citizenship, Article 5 to 11. Fifth article, citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. 6. Right of citizenship of a certain person who have migrated to India from Pakistan. 7. Right of citizenship of a certain migrants of Pakistan. 8. Right of citizenship of a certain person of Indian origin residing outside India. 9th. Person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be a citizen. 10th. Continuance of the rights of citizenship. 11th. Parliament of regulate the rights of the citizenship by the law. Importance of the citizenship is it signifies that a person belongs to a particular state or a multiple state. वो सिग्निफाई करता है पर्सन एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेट से है वरना मल्टीपल स्टेट से है. फॉर इंस्टेंट इन द USA एवरी सिटीजन इज अ सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री एज वेल एज द पर्टिकुलर स्टेट. US में ऐसा है कि जो व्यक्ति है उनका सिटीजन है वो एक कंट्री का भी सिटीजन है और अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेट वरना एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेट का भी है. On the other hand, a citizen of the Switzerland can have a citizenship in another country as well. स्विट्ज़रलैंड में ऐसा है कि व्यक्ति दूसरी कंट्री की सिटीजनशिप भी एक्वायर कर सकता है. Only citizens can vote in election. Only citizens can contest in election. Only citizens can hold any constitutional post of the country like the president, vice president, governor, ministers, judge, etc. Only citizens can get any benefits from the government schemes meant for the citizens of India. Only citizens can enjoy a certain fundamental rights. There are fundamental rights for the both foreigners and the citizens. Article 14, equality before the law and the equal protection of the law. Then we have Article 20, protection in respect of conviction for the offences. Then Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, right to elementary education. And Article 22, protection against arrest and detention in the certain cases. And only for the citizens, Article 15 is there. Article 16, Article 19, Article 29 and Article 30. Article 15 stands for the prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of the religion, race, sex, caste or place of the birth. Then Article 16 stands for the equality of opportunity in matters of the public employment. Article 29, protection of language, script and culture of the minorities. Article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. The concept of the citizenship is closely linked to the concept of the democracy. In non-democratic societies, we have subjects but no citizens. Citizenship means active participation of the people in the decision making and the process of the governance. Article 5 speaks about the citizens of India at the commencement of the Constitution, November 26, 1949. Article 11 gave the powers to the Parliament of India to regulate the rights of the citizenship by the law. This provision resulted in the enactment of the Citizenship Act 1955 by the Indian Parliament. Article 5 describes as citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. At the commencement of this Constitution, every person who has his domicile in the territory of India and who was born in the territory of India, मतलब जिसके पास डोमिसाइल है उनके टेरिटरी का क्षेत्र का और जो व्यक्ति अपने क्षेत्र में इंडिया के क्षेत्र में हुआ है, ईदर ऑफ हुज पेरेंट्स वर बॉर्न इन द टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया, वरना उनके कोई पेरेंट्स इंडिया टेरिटरी में बॉर्न हुए, हु हैज़ बीन ऑर्डिनरली रेसिडेंट इन द टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया फॉर नॉट लेस देन 5 years immediately preceding such commencement shall be a citizens of India. Article 6. Rights of citizenship of a certain person who have migrated to India from the Pakistan. Notwithstanding anything in Article 5, a person who has migrated to the territory of India from the territory now including the Pakistan shall be deemed to be a citizen of India at the commencement of this constitution. He or either of his parents or any of his grandparents were born in India as defined in the Government of Indian Act 1935 as originally enacted. मतलब किसी व्यक्ति के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो इंडिया में बॉर्न हुए हैं वो गवर्नमेंट एक्ट से उनको सिटीजनशिप मिल सकती है. और बी इन द केस वे सच पर्सन हैज सो माइग्रेटेड बिफोर द 19th day of July 1948 he has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India since the date of his migration, or in case where such person has so migrated on or after the 19th day of July 1948 he has been registered as a citizen of India by the officer appointed in that behalf by the government of the Dominion of India. मतलब उन लोग ने रजिस्टर्ड थ्रू उन लोग को सिटीजनशिप मिली है ऑन एन एप्लीकेशन मेड बाय हिम देयरफॉर to such officer before the commencement of this constitution in the form and manner prescribed by the government. Provide that no person shall be registered unless he has been resident in the territory of India for at least 6 months immediately preceding the date of his application. जिसी भी व्यक्ति को अपना सिटीजनशिप रजिस्टर करना है उसका रेसिडेंट अपने टेरिटरी में एटलीस्ट 6 महीने का होना चाहिए जब से उसने अपना एप्लीकेशन दिया है, एप्लीकेशन डेट दिया है, किस डेट को एप्लीकेशन दिया है उससे 6 महीने का देखने का, और उसके बाद उनको रेसिडेंस सिटीजनशिप मिल जाएगी. फिर आर्टिकल 7 ये कहता है राइट्स ऑफ सिटीजनशिप ऑफ अ सर्टन माइग्रेंट्स टू पाकिस्तान. Notwithstanding anything in Article 5 and 6, a person who has after the 1st day of March 1947 migrated from the territory of India to the territory now included in the Pakistan shall not be deemed to be a citizen of India, provided that nothing in this article shall apply to a person who, after having so migrated to the territory now included in Pakistan, he returned to the territory of India under a permit for the resettlement or a permanent return issued by or under the authority of any law, and every such person shall for the purposes of the clause of the Article 6 be deemed to have migrated to the territory of India after the 19th day of the July 1948. इसमें ऐसा कहा गया है आर्टिकल 7 में जो व्यक्ति पाकिस्तान जब पार्टीशन हुआ था तब वो लोग इंडिया में थे पर पाकिस्तान जाके वापस इंडिया आए किसी कारण का, जैसे उनका मन नहीं लग रहा या कुछ, तो उनको भी सिटीजन कंसिडर किया जाएगा आफ्टर द 19th day of the July 1948. ओके. आर्टिकल 8 right of citizenship of a certain person of India origin residing outside India, notwithstanding anything in Article 5, any person or either of whose parents or any of whose grandparents was born in India as defined in the Government of India Act 1935 as originally enacted and who is originally residing in any country outside India as so defined shall be deemed to be a citizen of India if he has been registered as a citizen of India by the diplomatic or a consular representative of India in the country where he for the time being residing on an application made by him. Therefore, such diplomatic or a consular representative, whether before or after the commencement of this constitution, in the form and the manner prescribed by the government of the Dominion of India or the government of India. Article 8 oversees the citizen who wanted Indian citizenship. मतलब जब इंडिया में फ्रीडम रिफॉर्म हो रहा था बहुत सारे जन लंदन साउथ अफ्रीका गए थे एजुकेशन मूवमेंट के लिए, इन्फ्लुएंस के लिए, यूएस तक भी गए थे, एंड उनको अगर सिटीजनशिप चाहिए तो उनको आर्टिकल 8 से मिलेगी. दैट्स व्हाट written in Article 8. Article 9 person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be a citizen. No person shall be a citizen of India by virtue of Article 5 or be deemed to be a citizen of India by virtue of Article 6 or Article 8. He has voluntarily acquired a citizen of any foreign state. In Article 9, a person who accept other country citizenship will lose Indian citizenship. अगर कोई व्यक्ति किधर एजुकेशन के थ्रू या जॉब के थ्रू किधर गया है और उसने उधर अगर उस कंट्री की सिटीजनशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया तो वो इंडिया की सिटीजनशिप ऑटोमेटिकली लूज करेगा. उसके अंदर आर्टिकल 5, 6, 8 को नहीं देखा जाएगा. ही विल ऑटोमेटिकली लूज हिज सिटीजनशिप. ओके, अंडर 9th article. Then Article 10, continuance of the rights of citizenship. Every person who is or is deemed to be a citizen of India under any of the foregoing provision of any law that may be made by the Parliament continues to be such citizens. मतलब राइट कंटिन्यूएंस विल बिकम सिटीजनशिप. यू विल बिकम मतलब राइट का कंटिन्यूएंस होगा जब आप सिटीजनशिप बनेंगे. दैट्स व्हाट रिटन इन आर्टिकल 10. आर्टिकल 11, पार्लियामेंट टू रेगुलेट द राइट ऑफ सिटीजनशिप बाय द लॉ. Nothing in the foregoing provision of this part shall derogate from the power of the Parliament to make any provision with respect to the acquisition and the termination of citizenship and all other matters relating to the citizenship. Means Parliament has the authority to change the requirement of the citizenship came under Act 1955. Then the standard method to gain or lose the citizenship to the citizenship of India. Means Article 5, 6, 7, 8 gains the citizenship and Article 9 lose the citizenship. So do remember. And in next video we will be seeing Citizenship Amendment Act 1955, single citizenship, loss of citizenship, and OCI, Overseas Citizen of India. And we will be seeing that PIO card, OCI card, what is NRI, and constitution concerns against CAA and government to take off a CAA. Thank you. And if you people do find my video helpful, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.